So this key data basically keeps on processing. For that basically, what are the utilities available in the world basically? That are car basically are there. That is automobile industry. Then the human needs are there. For example, orange. One person told that why basically orange created. So he told that basically to secure this person basically. Why basically Apple created? To secure that person basically. Why the sugar basically created? To secure that person basically. One person told that if one person basically is getting allergy or disease from that object basically, that means basically he is creating problem to that person. For example, one person is having sugar disease, that means he is creating problem to that sugar created person. Sugar means basically, for example, one person basically is king basically of sugar. He is producing sugar to the entire Gujarat or India basically. So if his son basically or his any family member basically gets attacked by that particular person, he basically can't have the sugar basically. So basically it might possible that he might connect to the sugar disease basically. So this kind of thing basically. So here one person brother yes basically. So here one person told that basically this is one condition. So here one person told here basically we are talking about the American presidency. How he is supposed to secure basically. This condition basically we have taken. This data basically you have to process in human souls data. Then they told that basically this 5 lakh people basically which are near around the American president area basically, what they are going to eat basically that day, or basically what they have eaten basically last few days basically, because according to that basically they are going to get the energy basically. So one person told that yes basically. They started basically interacting. So next